This is Nash eating rice cereal for the first time, and he's not quite sure what to think of it.
Seems to like it. He's reaching out for more. You want to put that in your mouth, baby? I think he likes it. I think you like it. Yeah? I think you've been waiting to eat. Like, give me some real food, folks.